Hola clase, hoy es martes, el 24 de noviembre. Still in learning distance, we'll be here for a little while. So let's go through what you need to do today. It looks, our slideshow, of course, looks kind of similar to yesterday, but let's go through it. So, el plan para hoy. Today you're going to make a Flipgrid and submit before tomorrow night, Wednesday night, 11:59 p.m. This is kind of a speaking assessment so I can get a sense of where you're at this try. Also, study guide page 5 is going to be due. This is in our purple study guide like this, but on page 5, there's a lot of stuff about asking questions. And I want you to do this by 9:30 tomorrow morning before you take your quiz. Your quiz is on question words. It's 20 points, and you'll be doing that tomorrow morning. And then there's, that's it. So you're going to do that and then that Flipgrid. So remember also the final exam for Lección 2, Wednesday, December 2nd, hours 2 and 4 are going to take their final exam. And then Thursday, December 3rd, it's hour 5's turn. So that's when you're going to take your final exam. All right, so there's a video here to show you how to make your Flipgrid. You're going to create a Flipgrid and answer questions from the try. You'll watch the video to quickly learn how to make that Flipgrid. You already signed up for Flipgrid, and so you have that. You signed up in the correct classroom. So let's look. Once you watch this kind of gives you an idea what you need to do. But here is our task. Oops.
So your assessment.
Oops. We're going to skip that. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. So again, your assignment is going to be this Flipgrid. You have questions. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿De dónde eres? ¿Qué día es hoy? Etcétera, etcétera. You're going to play. You can play this video if you want to listen to me asking the questions. You can use this in your presentation, or you don't have to. So some people maybe want that playing while they're, so you might need to use a phone and a computer at the same time. But all you have to do is answer these following questions in full sentences in Spanish, not in English. And then there's a number for you to say in Spanish at the very end. If you say it, these are each worth 2 points, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if you don't say this number in Spanish, you won't earn those points. Hour 2, this is where your Flipgrid is. Hour 4, there's your Flipgrid, and hour 5. So it'll take you to this. And then once you watch that video that's on that last slide, it shows you exactly what you need to do. Okay, as always, if you haven't joined, you always have to use your Google and your school email and password to do so, and that's how you'll access those. So all you're doing is just answering these questions. Again, that video will walk you through every single step. If I try playing it, the sound gets really goofy right now, so you'll have to watch that on your own. Here's a little more practice again with question words if you want to practice those, because that's what the quiz is on. And I believe, again, those same questions that we had yesterday are here, so you can practice that. Also, here's the question word song, and you can listen to that as well. So before you go today, a couple things. Make sure that you practice those palabras interrogativas. Another hint is if you want, you can go to Quizlet. I have there is a question word Quizlet for you to do. I think distance learners, that was an assignment for you. Everyone else just know that's in Quizlet, so it's really nice practice. Then view that video that I made on a couple slides ago about how to make the Flipgrid, how to create your Flipgrid, okay? Then you're going to complete and submit your homework. Again, that's page 5 from your study guide, so you're going to skip the first 4. Those first 4 pages are going to be due Monday, December 30th at 3:30 p.m. It's going to be worth 10 points for those remaining pages. This will help you prepare for the final exam, which is Lección 2, literally a half of the trimester. And that is it for now. Espero que tengas un buen día. Hasta luego. Chao.